36th District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, or smoking. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the judge. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. I'm sorry. We also have a couple officers here. Let me bring them out. Unless Mr. Roki wants to get them. Officer Buchanan and Officer Sergeant Williams. Mr. Roki, do you mind going to room number 2 to get Officer Buchanan and Sergeant Williams out, please?
Buchanan and who else?
Sergeant Williams.
Okay, certainly.
Thank you.
I'm holding the trial, Judge.
Ow.
This is BS.
Put your device on mute, Ms. Rivers.
Roki might have gotten stuck. Mr. Barry, you want to do Kevin Davis? Mr. Davis, you were taking the offer.
Yes.
Did you want to do this?
Yes, let's proceed, Your Honor.
Oh, here's Mr. Roki. Okay. All right, this is the people versus it's Kevin Davis or Earl Davis.
Kevin Davis.
I got Earl Davis in my hand. I think I brought out the wrong officer. Are we doing Earl? Who spoke to Earl Davis?
I don't know that we have Earl Davis, do we?
Yes, he's in.
That would be
I,
count.
I spoke to him early on, but there was no offer at the time.
Okay. Well, well, you want to go talk to him while we do these real quick? His offer is offer was plea to an improper plate and a fail to display, and then dismissing everything else because 2 of the officers didn't appear.
Okay. Darnell, could you place me with him?
Yes.
All right, this is the people versus Kevin Davis, ticket number P1259539. Count 1, drove while license not valid. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number P1262577. Count 1, dirty, obscured, improperly displayed plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Kevin Breon Davis.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Kevin Davis. The people made a pretrial recommendation to my client. At this time, he's waiving his rights, asking court to adopt it.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of January 28th, 2022 at 12:21 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Parker and Mack in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Buick vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend count 1 to fail to display. Do you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining misdemeanors to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
All right, and then you stipulate those counts 2 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice. You stipulate to the face of the ticket for ticket number P1262577.
So stipulated.
And so we'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there is a fine of $120 for the civil infraction, and then for the fail to display misdemeanor, there's a fine of $200. Usually with civil infractions, the payment is due in 14 days, but because you have this other ticket, I'm just gonna put everything together, and can you have it paid by January 18th?
Okay, so you said 120 for one ticket and then
200, so it's a total of 320. Can you have it
okay.
paid by January 18th?
I sure can.
Okay, great. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
You are all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
All right, thank you too. Oh, thank you too. You too.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you know what? There's a Miss Soroki, there was a state ticket SX25370. There were a bunch of tickets that were being dismissed. I forgot to call them. SX2537031, drove our license not valid, and then 08464-285, count 1, drove our license not valid, and then 377490, drive while license not valid, suspended, and ticket number 421195, drive while license suspended. And you stipulate the probable cause as those to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Okay, so those are all dismissed without prejudice as well. Are we ready on Earl Davis?
No, Your Honor, I was unable to raise him in the breakout room.
He's right here. He's here. Mr. Davis,
Yes, I'm here.
how are you, sir? So we have 2 officers here. There's Officer Buchanan is here, and then Sergeant Williams is here, and then 2 officers are not here on your case. Why can't I find them out? And so the offer is.
And Your Honor, I don't think I had an opportunity to, I did speak with the officers. I don't think I wrote in there yet, but on Buchanan's case, improper place, Your Honor.
Right.
And then on Sergeant Williams, it would be failure to display.
Yes.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, and so that's the offer. It would be 2 misdemeanors, Mr. Davis. Can you turn your video on, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, and take your hat off. So it'll be 2 misdemeanors. The other tickets would be dismissed because the officers have not appeared. And then one of the tickets on Officer Buchanan's case, which was from 2020, would be dismissed. So you would be pleading to 2 and then 1 3 tickets will be dismissed. So you can take that offer or you could go to trial because the officers aren't here on two.
I didn't hear the offer. Can you say it again? I had to put my phone in my ear.
You would plead to 2 misdemeanors, fail to display and improper plates. There are no points. And then 3 tickets would be dismissed.
Okay.
You want to take that?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay. This is the people versus Earl Davis, ticket number 20356-252, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 19504-320, count 1, no operator's license in possession, ticket number 20712-744, count 1, no operator's license in possession, and ticket number U304-66116, count 1, enter without owner's permission. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with the people.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good morning. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Davis. State your full name, Mr. Davis.
Yes, it's Earl Michael Davis.
Officer Buchanan, can you state your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Buchanan, badge 3614, City of Detroit.
And then Sergeant Williams, can you say your name, sir?
Sergeant Anthony Williams, S2, Detroit Police Department.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Davis would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter pleas to proper plates and failure to display the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear to tell nothing but the truth.
Okay, you can put your hand down. We had a brief conversation with myself, the attorney was present, and the prosecutor was present about your case. Is that true, sir?
Say it again one more time. I got my phone in my ear.
I'm asking you if you had a conversation with myself and the attorney was present and the prosecutor was present about your case today. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to October 30th, 2019 at 1 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Stouffville and Grove in the city of Detroit. Were you at Stouffville and Grove on October 30th, 2019 at 1 p.m.?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2012 Infiniti vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have your operator's license on your person?
No, ma'am.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied that ticket is amended to, it's amended to fail to display. All right, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of October 5th, 2020 at, I'm not sure of the time. We're on this date, were you at 20020 Burt Road?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2017 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
I'm
sorry, did you
not
not
that-
have insurance? Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, ma'am, I did not.
All right, you're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's gonna be a fine, this is what the court will do, the court will do a fine of $300 on the fail to display, and then we'll waive the fine for the improper plate. Can you have this paid by January 18th?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Any questions, sir?
Where do I pay that at?
You can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city called DivDac, like they're in Myers or CVS. You can pay it on the kiosk. You can also download the app. You can pay it over the phone. I can give you the phone number, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it.
You said come down to the courthouse and pay it, or I can download the app?
Yeah. Okay. Any other questions?
No, that'd be all.
Okay, so you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, Sergeant Williams. Thank you, Officer Buchanan.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is Latoya Rivers, ticket number P1313060, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 162832202, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Rivers. State your full name, Ms. Rivers.
Latoya Danielle Rivers.
Your Honor, Ms. Rivers would avail herself of the offer to enter a plea to allow an unlicensed driver to drive her vehicle on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Rivers. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in private about your case and your right?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange?
No,
for
ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 10, 2022 at 10:55 a.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
Was I the owner?
Yes.
No. No.
The 2007 Chevrolet vehicle was not your car?
I can't hear you. It was phone going in and out. I'm sorry.
On February 10, 2022, a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle, that wasn't your vehicle?
Yes.
So you are the owner of that vehicle, and you were the owner on that date and time?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
Was that vehicle stopped by the police in the city of Detroit on that date and time?
I don't know. I wasn't aware of the stop until I received the court notice in the mail.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Rivers. So you have to pay of $200. You're going to come back on March 15th. And when you come back on March 15th, you can't get any more tickets and no citations. So essentially, no further police contact. Once you've paid the fine, you've had no further police contact, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay. Would I be able to get some time for that fine, to pay the fine?
You have to have it paid by March 15th.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so just by March 15th, make sure you had the fine paid, and then, but you can also, I mean, if you need to, you can do community service in lieu of paying the fine. Would you like to do that instead?
Sure, I would. Yeah, because I'm going through some hardship right now. So I just had a house fire.
Okay, so what we'll do is, you can do 20 hours of community service. Do you have a pen?
1 second. Can I be excused to go get one?
Of course.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a phone number. It's 313
Okay.
965
Uh-huh.
8130.
Okay.
So you call that number, it's Miss Green. She's gonna get your community service set up. So you need to have your 20 hours of community service completed by March 15th. No tickets, and this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, any other questions?
No, ma'am. I appreciate you guys.
No problem. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
You too. Thank you.
All right. And I'm sorry about your fire. Good luck with, the recovery of that.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
And this is
You
a
have
prosecutor. I know how that feels. It happened to us 11 years ago, and it's really bad. Yeah. So best of luck.
Thank you, guys. Y'all have a blessed day and happy holiday.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Dowdell and Dockery left.
Okay. And Your Honor, Dockery is going to be a dismissal. Officer Porcala is not at his workstation, so he's unable to pull the information or any camera footage regarding her allegation of identity.
All right. We'll call it.
I just tried to bring her out. I don't know if it'll be successful.
What room is she in?
You can close out the room.
Okay.
Yeah, I might as well just close them out.
Ms. Dockery and Mr. Dowdell, turn on your video, please. Ms. Dockery, turn on your video, please.
Hello.
Okay.
Yes, hello.
Hold on. We're about to open court. 36th District Court is back in session with Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Our court's in session, no reading, talking, walking around, drinking, driving, or smoking. Your name is called. Please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning.
That way, this is the people versus Sherelle Dockery. Ticket number SP 1248554. Count 1, driving register or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, driver license suspended. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with the people.
Sherelle Dockery.
The people, P7030.
Otis Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Dockery.
Officer Porcala, can you say your name, sir? Or ma'am?
Officer Porcala, Detroit Police, badge number 530.
All right. I know there were some issues of identification, and it's my understanding, Ms. Warren, the people are not ready to proceed.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. So you have a motion, Mr. Berry?
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Dockery. Good luck to you, ma'am, and have a good holiday.
Oh, and you too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Officer.
Thank you, Officer Porcala.
Thank you.
And Officer Porcala, if you're inclined to do so, you're welcome to reissue if you review this and feel the need to do so.
Okay, I'll see if I can get my hands on the body camera footage.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Am I free to hang up?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Donnell, did you see if anybody in the waiting room?
Yeah, it is one person. And,
I think that might have been.
Hello?
what is your name?
Danny Dandridge?
Danny, who?
Dandridge. Danny Dandridge.
I heard you. Hold on for a minute.
He's at 8:45. Mr. Dandridge, do you have your documentation now? Do you have a license, insurance, and registration?
No, I don't have anything, ma'am.
Okay, so we're gonna give you a bench trial date if that's okay. You can come back
A
on
bench
that.
trial?
If you have your documents, you can show them. Otherwise, if the officer's here, they'll make you a deal. If he's not here, you'll get a dismissal.
Okay, yes.
And also learn how to come in with a video. You gotta be on video.
Okay, yeah, but like I explained to you before, when it comes to this new technology, I ain't gravitated to it yet.
Try to get
But I'll try.
Okay, try to get someone to help you.
Okay.
So just sit
Okay,
tight, sir. The judge will be with you in a minute.
Okay, okay.
Sanders, I'm gonna just set you for an in-person hearing, because, so just come, I'm gonna give you, the date I'm gonna give you, just come to the courthouse.
Did you hear that?
What you say? No, what she saying?
I said, I'm gonna set you
Hello?
I'm setting you for an in-person hearing. Just come to the courthouse on the date that I give you, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
All right, this is the People versus Danny Dandridge, ticket number P1236081, count 1, drive unlicensed, suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Danny the real Dandridge.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Danny Dandridge. At this time, he's entering a plea not guilty. We're requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dandridge.
Ma'am,
Raise your right hand.
I got it up.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court would be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea set it for a bench trial date of January 23rd at 9 o'clock. In person.
Okay. Okay. Thanks a million.
You're welcome. You're all set, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Mr. Dowdell, you can take your hood off because we're about to do you. This is the, are we ready on Mr. Dowdell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor, ready.
What are we doing, a trial?
I believe so, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Dimitri Dowdell, ticket number P1333162. Count 1, unregistered or untitled, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Horn, afternoon. Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Dowdell. Mr. Dowdell, you're muted. You're muted, Mr. Dowdell. You have to unmute.
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
Can I say something?
Mr. Dowdell,
I had
hold
two
on.
people. I had two people talk to me as a lawyer. I don't know who's my lawyer.
Mr. Berry is your lawyer.
So who is she? She came to me and said she was my lawyer.
Too. She's a lawyer too.
Okay, that's what I was trying to get. See what was good. Okay, so he came to me second. Okay, why he didn't really talk to me. He told me he's gonna come back, but he didn't come back.
Okay, well let's schedule a trial. So he's very capable of doing the trial.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying that, but we had this. We had.
Hold on. If I may, Your Honor, the offer
discussed the offer with me, but he never came back.
Mr. Dowdell. Okay, hold on, sir. You wanna
Yes,
go to
ma'am.
trial? You wanna go to trial, correct? Are you gonna plead?
He's going to plead, I believe he will plead to improper plates, Your Honor.
Is that true, Mr. Donnell?
Yes, I was trying to see what he was talking about. He never came back in the breakout room.
Okay, so you wanna plead to improper plates?
I might as well, because this talk about this lawyer. It don't matter. Come on, man.
It does matter. It does matter. It's up to you. It's whatever you wanna do. We ready for trial. We can do your trial. Or you can plead guilty. It's up to you.
But he never. I was trying to explain to him, but he never came because I was at work.
Mr. Donnell, why don't you go